Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how much money you need to get started investing in the stock market. And before we dive in, if you are ready for financial freedom, comment freedom below in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're really serious about becoming financially free at a young age, click the link below this video and I can help you do that. Okay, so let's talk about how much money you need to get started investing in the stock market. And a lot of people think it takes a lot of money to get started in the stock market, and it really doesn't. It does not take thousands and thousands of dollars. You can start investing for $100 or less, honestly. So it can be very inexpensive to get started investing in the stock market. And I really love investing in the stock market for this reason. I also invest in real estate properties, and a down payment on a house is quite a bit of money compared to investing in a stock that is less than $100. So you don't need thousands and thousands to get started in the stock market. And you can just find a stock that you're familiar with and that you think is a good company that's going to stick around for a while. And you can look at their stock price. You can just Google it and look to see how much their stock price is listed at. And you can buy one share of a stock. You don't have to buy multiple shares. You can if you want to. You can buy 100 shares or just one share. So you can look at the stock price, see how much it is, and then if you are investing with a brokerage firm that charges a commission fee, and this is just a one-time fee that you'll pay when you buy a stock or when you sell a stock. And it's usually, it can be around $5 or so, depending on which company you go with. But that's the amount that you'll need. The price of your stock, and then if there's a commission fee, and that's it. And you can get started investing in the stock market with just that amount. So you can pick a stock that is lower priced, under $100 or around $100, and just get started with that one stock. So you can keep it very simple. You don't have to be buying multiple stocks at one time or even multiple shares of one stock at a time. So it really doesn't cost thousands and thousands of dollars. And I actually recommend just getting started small. You can just invest a few $100s or $1,000 if you want to. But just getting started is really the key, because once you get started, you become more familiar with the process and you can continue to increase your investment and feel more comfortable buying more expensive stocks. And yeah, you can get started in the stock market for $100 or less and still be profitable, because even if you're buying one share of one stock, sometimes people think, well, I'm not going to make a profit off of that. But if you've chosen a good stock and that stock price continues to go up and up and up, then you can still make a great profit on that. And it's better than having your money sit in your savings account, earning 2% or less, depending on where you have your money or where you have your savings account. So yeah, you don't have to spend thousands to get started in the stock market. And if you guys have other questions about investing in the stock market, please post them below in the comments. I would love to hear that. And if you are ready to get started investing, I would love to hear that you're ready. And if you know which stock you want to buy, then share that in the comments below too. I would love to hear that. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone else who needs this information. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about becoming financially free sooner than later, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.